Guys, ITS service. It's been a while because it's the same work every day. Charging port, batteries, backlight. But today we have the MacBook A1466 water damage. And the problem is now we have two traces missing. Number 3 and 4. The good thing is number 3 and 4 connect together. So how to do it? Like number 3, you guys see it? Let's go from here to here. And then we will put a new, this is the old one, it's bad, and then we're gonna put a new one. Let's see if it's gonna work. ITS service, we're gonna do the trace and then solder a new one. And the main reason of this video, like, yes, we can do MacBook. Thanks for watching. Guys, this is the one with the water damage, and the connector was bad. The third pin is missing, so I took the jumper. Where is it? Okay, and then I put the green glue, and then I'm gonna put more, and we back to business.